Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to return an item on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying out an item that you bought from eBay but you don't necessarily like it. How do you actually go ahead and return that item? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto the eBay app. Once you've opened up the eBay app, you want to click on My eBay in the bottom left hand corner. And then underneath shopping, you want to find where it says purchases or your order history. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're on this page here, you're going to see a list of purchases that you've made. Now, keep in mind that there is a return window for certain items. Most of the time, it's like 30 days. But let's go ahead and click on our cabin air filters for the GR Supra. And then what you see here is a list of information. You want to go ahead and click on the More Actions button towards the middle of the screen. Next, click on Return the Item. Now, once you click on Return the Item, you simply just need to follow the on-screen prompts as why you are returning this item. So we'll just say ordered by mistake. Then you need to add details, add photos, and then confirm your return. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and return an item on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.